In this video, I will tell you how to recover Phantom Wallet with seed phrase. So first, what you need to do is open the Phantom mobile app. On the start screen, you'll see two options and you should choose the second one, which is import an existing wallet. If you'd like extra protection, turn on the toggle button next to device. This will enable device authentication so that each time you log in, you'll need to verify with your device. Next, tap the next button at the bottom and you'll be taken to a page with 3 different recovery methods. Since we're using a seed phrase, select the first option that says import secret recovery phrase. Here you just need to enter the 12 to 24 words of your recovery phrase. After typing them in, tap the import secret phrase button at the bottom. You'll then move to the next page showing that your account has been imported successfully. Press the continue button, then check the circle to agree to the terms and conditions, and finally tap get started. That's all it takes to recover your Phantom wallet with your seed phrase. Thanks for watching.